This reminds me of the shanty towns in Africa. I didn't know we had shanty towns in America. Hey, hey.
Hey, man. You gotta move out there, bud.
Yeah, I'll be right out. Hey, hey.
Yeah, I hear you. Where's my ice?
Hey, we gotta have some of that wood at our camp, Jeremiah.
Is that right? Well, it'll cost you.
No pictures, Jeremiah.
Do you have any ice?
It'll cost you. What's ice?
Ice.
The guy
What's ice?
wood,
That stuff that goes in here.
No, I never seen ice for 10 years. Campers don't need ice.
Stuff that keeps your milk cold.
Okay. You know, I doubt it, but you can come over and look.
sure could use some of that wood.
Well, you have to come over there and beg a little.
Hey.
Hey, hey.
There's people sleeping in here, don't even know the building.
Well, then they'll have to call 911.